Wait, I don't pass. Oh yeah, go was saying, come. It's like it's okay like this, Abby. Oh yeah, it's me. Thank you. Shaggi. He get one boy where they live from Mushin Losha. In him na Shaggi, they walk he kakaraka. But he get the madness where they put them for Palava. If he see Shaggi, make it jack back. Shaggi na tailor, Shaggi na carpenter. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi na husband, Shaggi na driver. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi na trouble, Shaggi no So you dey like say you know all the thing how it does. They use me say up, Asuama. Make I help you yourself. Wait, don't say you fine like that too. No go dey, make I no go dey deceive you. Don't say you fine like that too.
Thank you. What you do for house? You know can madam come out today?
Madam no come out herself. She drive herself. She go church. She say she go see pastor. So now I just say make I come so that now you go fit talk. At least now both of us we for house now. Oh yeah, let's talk. We never even sit down to talk about ourselves. We don't know what our future look like.
Shaggi, I don't tell you already. Me and you know go there. Shaggi, who fit be your girlfriend?
Wait, what did they do yourself? What did they do you? You just say, national night, you say na me dey fall for you. It's not me. Amy, no, don't say you find like that. Now my heart. Now I say my heart is done. That's the way they born me. That's the way I'm like. That's the way I'm wired. Oh yeah, my heart like when you love someone, you love that way. There's nothing in this world that can break it. It's not me. It's not me. If power they said to tell my heart, yes, oh yeah, leave that girl alone. I go not leave you sin. But it's the genuine love that my heart have for you. Do you understand?
Okay. Oh, you are okay? You do alright? Any complaint?
Which I tell you say my heart sick. I tell you say they do operation for my. Wait till they do this one. See, make I tell you. As I did like this, nobody say money no deal, money deal. Money deal. Me I know just one organ. I don't want me organ. I did first. If you know how many house, how many land I get for this thing, you go shock you. See, if I be your boyfriend, you go benefit.
Don't touch me. I don't want to say I don't get boyfriend. Shaggi, I get boyfriend. You no go fit there now.
Wait, make I ask you. You get boyfriend? You don't see you get boyfriend. Who be boyfriend? That one wake up day before yesterday. Say now that one, my girl. That one a boyfriend. That one wake up say his name na meet really. That one a boyfriend.
Etok come this.
See, forget that one. See, make I tell you. You find password, they follow that kind of person. That one don't know anything now. That one a old man now. You don't even know what's going on in the world. Oh yeah, see, make I tell you, if you deal with people like me, you understand me, I know people, I know the video. Oh yeah, I know whiskey, I know what's happening, I know that. Nobody I don't know for this industry. Tell me here. The video has been like that. The time when you say before you blow, the song like this, you will carry that in CD, come meet me, play that in song. Money for all of you. Banana for all of you. You know that song. You go play for me like 100 times a day. I go down and say, me no word. Take go blow. Whiskey self. Now my ass is now if they buy fuel for generator. Zlatan. Zlatan, they say, you know what Zlatan they say? They say exercise book inside traffic. Before I know one.
Gami. He get one man outside. He said they find madam.
Asuama, come. Asuama. Check see what you cost now. Check see what you cost.
Wetin I do?
Wetin you no do? You see say me and person dey talk about relationship, but talking about relationship goals. When you see two adults, a man and a woman, that's a female and a male species, that they are together talking, you should know they are talking about something meaningful, something that is love. It remains for me, she kiss me for you and I spoil everything.
Say she She won't kiss you.
No, she won't hug me.
No, he get one man outside. He said he find madam.
So now me be madam.
No, I said make her come inside, make her come tell her.
Can't tell me say wetin na. Person come, he say they find madam. He said make you go upstairs, make you go find madam. You say he dey come meet me.
Na respect wey I get for you.
Na respect you get for me. For life, no try this thing again. If you see say me and my baby dey talk, no come here at all. Just dey. Wetin be the person name?
Me, I don't know. I never ask him.
You don't know. That people wey name. You no ask person for him name. You leave him outside. You no know. Or dey come down. Back point gbaju. Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Evening.
Evening.
How are you, sir? Cavalry greeting. My name is Barrister Mike. I'm here to see Madam.
Which madam?
Is it not house 6? The madam of the house. The owner of the house.
The owner of the house. Okay, so as you now come now, when you are looking for madam, we should not let you head her.
No.
You know me. You know me. Who you? Where you from? Who born you? Who you?
Who?
Enter now. Enter. Maybe it's your house.
Are you
Enter.
fighting me? Are you not the new house employee?
No, not talk that thing again. Who be outside?
You know what? Calm down. No, say that has a pay colors. No, say we be house boy. So that has a pay colors. Even tush. So we just manage that one. See, let me tell you. Because you know when you are talking, I didn't talk. Because me, I'm a man of knowledge.
Oh.
I have a position. I like to watch people to talk. You see the way you are talking, Susan. You are talking like a what? You are talking. Shut up! I'm talking. You are talking like a parrot. You understand? You say you are looking for someone. Do I know you before? No. You now say you now want to hurt her to go and see. What if you are a suicide bomber? What if you are a hire killer that want to come and kill madam? You should not let. Listen, it's protocol. They call it protocol. Do you know what they call protocol challenge?
You don't know. If I'm suicide bomber, I'll be very white and black to do suicide bombing.
Not today. If you like this one.
In the church, I call the madam now before you believe where I'm here to see madam.
Call madam. Call her if you get a number. Call her, make you follow her talk.
Call
What's all this nonsense?
Call her now. Call her. Go. Call 911 for you now. See, hey, let me tell you, that's what they call security challenge. What we are doing now, we are challenging you as a security. How you take past that gate? How did they let you enter here?
Because I tell them where is Barrister Mike. I'm here to see madam. House 6. Is this not the house?
Well, I call the madam that you are here to see. Let me see the way we will shock you now. Because me have not heard your.
Check where I'm lying. That's what you're saying.
Call the madam now.
So I'm lying. A grown man.
Call
grown man.
Call who you want.
What you are lying to say what you want to say. I'm telling you. I will call her.
No, you know what.
And I will make sure when two of you, they will fire you before the end of today.
They will fire you. They will fire you. You will sleep in peace today. You will see.
Hello? Hello, madam.
Hello, Barrister Mike. How are you?
I'm not fine. If I tell you where I'm fine, it's big lie that I'm lying to you and lying to myself. You know, price you say I should come to your house. I come. I now meet two Nikompu in front of your door. Very useless idiots. They did not allow me enter. Nothing they did not call me today. They say me, I'm thief. They say me, I'm hire killer. Even he call me suicide bomber. Don't go.
Are you serious?
I swear to God, if I'm lying to you, in fact, Ogure.
I'm so sorry about that, Barrister Mike. Please give the phone to them.
Which one of them? Is it the one that is saying whoa? Is it that one?
No, not that one. The other one, the bigger one, Shaggi.
Your madam want to talk to you.
So that's it, I'll collect it. You are see a fool. You are see a fool, Abi. You go just give me the phone, I'll collect it.
No.
You like a suicide bomber. What if there's a bomb inside that phone? I should put it inside my ear.
Are you yarning? Are you yarning as I call me? Are you sure you are yarning now?
Shaggi, what is your problem? What is wrong with you? You know who he is.
Do you know who he is? Do you know who he is? Nikompu, the two of you. Nikompu.
Will you let him immediately?
Yes, madam. Sorry,
no
ma'am.
sense.
I'm so sorry about that, Barrister Mike. I'll see you in a few minutes.
No, wala jare, my madam. You know that they meet me in good mood. I will have show them pepper. Show them serious pepper.
Wait, where your ID card?
The way it's something the world you are. That's all I got no verse. See this.
Let me call her back.
You no need. See, all this life is simple. You understand? We don't know where we will meet again. We have to disagree to agree.
I can't meet you anywhere again. Let me just tell you the truth.
This is what we are doing here.
Can I enter?
You can enter, sir. Sorry, sir. You can sit down.
Don't call me sir.
Oh, that's
Wait.
me, I won't go do wetin madam say make I do. She go soon come.
Who can hold you? Sorry, sir.
Don't call me sir.
Sorry. So I don't want to say that thing that happened outside. I want you to overlook it. You understand? Because you are a human being. Nobody is above mistake.
This one is medicine after sickness. You understand what I'm telling you now? Don't even bother yourself. This one you have do it since. You have entered my black book like this. I don't like you anymore.
So but they beg you now. You know even now see now waiting the best me with this one. Now I don't like say if I beg person, you know they yell. Because now they beg you, your head don't sweat like Ijebu guy. I don't like all this rubbish.
Who else sweat like Ijebu?
Now
you started doing you are.
I dey come. Madam. Hello ma.
I will lock you behind bar.
Well done.
Behind bar.
No ma. I'm sorry ma. No ma.
No what? Yes.
Alright ma. I will entertain you. Alright ma.
You better just apologize. I should tell you where you should apologize. Just apologize. So that you not sleeping in set this
Sorry,
night.
Sir. Sorry sir. Wait till you go
Nonsense.
drink.
Thank God she even know where I'm even hungry than before. What do you say?
What will you drink?
People don't have juice.
Juice. Which juice? You say orange juice or apple juice?
Which one do you have? Give
We
me.
have the two. That's why I'm asking you now.
Why you not shouting?
I'm not shouting. That's the way my voice is. Am I shouting? That's the way natural.
Why are you not asking? You are running mad. You just don't know. Running mental. Give me orange juice.
Which orange juice? See the one that is inside can, or the one inside cake, or the one inside television.
The one inside drum. You don't have the one inside Gorodom?
We don't have.
So what of well? The one inside well.
We get that, but in the village.
What do you mean, baby? Please, if you are going to give me the juice, just give me the juice.
Now you go talk if you want. Sorry that I shout on you. It's you that will talk the one you want.
Any juice that you have, that is orange juice.
Okay, very good. Cold or hot?
Cold.
No room temperature.
Which one is room temperature again? Do I want to make it?
I don't want to know if it's cold. Okay, which cold?
Cold. I say cold.
Very good, because we have two fridge. There's one that's upstairs. That one is freezer. It blocks series.
Shaggi and what do you call them?
Yes.
Don't worry about the juice anymore. Just give me water.
You don't want juice anymore?
I don't want.
We get juice, so.
I said I don't want juice.
Alright, baby.
Is it a problem? I said I don't want juice.
Sorry now.
I said I don't want juice.
Bottled water or pure water?
Ha. Put water inside cup and bring it.
That's what I'm saying now. If it's water, if it's bottled water, we can stick with inside cup. That one is another flavor.
No water. I will drink my spit.
Oh, you don't want to drink anything?
Okay.
Very good. God, we have no get anything to give you. I be say you go shop conflict.
What do you mean? Punch me from there.
But I see the way back to me. I don't even know how.
This rubbish.
I don't know how I reach on top of him. I don't know how.
Go and meet me upstairs. Go and wait for me upstairs. Get out!
Madam.
What happened?
And you?
Ma?
I'm so disappointed.
No,
Hey! Save that bullshit you're about to say.
Ma.
So even if Shaggi is stupid,
See.
must he follow suit?
Nimo do this in Kosaswa. That means you can't be judged in your own case. Let me just explain. What happened? As I said, okay.
Hey, please save that bullshit.
Ha.
So even if Shaggi decides to be stupid, must he follow suit?
No,
I'm
ma.
very disappointed.
It's not like that. See,
I expected so much because you came highly recommended.
I'm a good person. Hold see, as I don't know what caused the rancor.
Save it. Get out of my house.
Ha. Don't let me.
Get out of my house!
Madam say make you get out and you go dey go.
Any beggar.
Madam say make you dey go and you go dey go.
Don't let me lose.
They go your house.
Oh, you knock something on my head.
They
Don't you know I have a what's the meaning of that?
Out!
They go your house.
Ma, I can do this job. I can do your job, man. I will catch you on this floor. Don't come to me and do.
No. So then they always scatter the house. Anytime madam no dey. See the way they do chair. Madam go say I don't do my work this morning. No. Be say I don't know what I dey do. Madam, no, very jare. Madam, she Share you go chop indomie.
Shaggi. He get one boy where they live for Mushin Losha. His name na Shaggi, they walk he kakaraka. But he get the madness where they put him for palava. If he see Shaggi, make he jump back, 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 back. Shaggi na tailor, Shaggi na carpenter. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi na husband, Shaggi na driver. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi na trouble, Shaggi no dey gree. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi, Shaggi Palava. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi Palava.